Hello, welcome to Goutam Graphics. Today I will show you how to make Das Eagle Golf Club logo. So let's start. Their logo name is Das Eagle Golf Club. They want to incorporate two eagle in their logo. The Das Eagles Golf Club is a social organization that facilitates weekly events at their local golf club. Something that can be embroidered that will be sharp and crisp. They have no competitors. They want eye-catching, sharp colors and contrast. So this is our logo. Let's make this logo. Use pen tool, draw the eagle. I just randomly draw this line. I just manage it properly. Drag the ruler. Place it just like this. Press left click and hold Alt button on keyboard for duplicate it. Place it properly. Press Ctrl or Command D for duplicate it more time. Select Direct Selection tool. Click of this anchor point fit to the guideline. Just do it properly. Select Pen 2. Click this arrow to switch line color to fill color. For getting more sharpness, drag it here. Select Direct Selection tool. Drag the line just like this. Manage to the guideline. Press Alt with left click for duplicate. Do same thing here. I am just fast forwarding my video for manage this. Select Selection tool. Select whole guideline. Go to Object. Hide guideline for use if any in future. I just manage a little bit of this logo. Select Direct Selection 2. Select this portion. Manage it properly. Select the whole logo. Swap line color to fill color. Choose Pen 2. Draw the line just like this. Align it properly. Manage this portion. Select Smooth to smooth the line. Move the logo a little bit right. Hold Alt and press left click for duplicate. Right click transform reflect to 90 degree. Drag the guideline and place it properly. Draw a circle, fill it white color. Right-click, arrange, send to back. Fit it properly to the circle. Let's make this stand. Select rounded rectangle to draw it. Round the corner with direct selection tool. Just draw this shape. Select Selection 2. Click this object. Shift the object towards down. Scale it down. Right-click, arrange, send it back. Send it little bit down. Remove the guideline. Draw a circle. Switch fill color to lime color. Make it large. Select Type on Path 2. Click on Circle, type the logo name. Select DOS and make it thin. Up the size. Fit it properly. Write the golf and make it bold. Let's duplicate this. Right club. Select golf club and up the tracking value up to 25. Click on DOS Eagle. Up the size. Select Text tool. Select Eagle and fill with red. Select Golf Club. Go to Grayscale option. Down the value up to 90%. Select Transform, scale it down up to 80%. Just pull down the circle. Now our logo is ready. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have any question in your mind, so don't forget comment down below. Thank you.